In this Your Health Matters special, when we finally decide to do something about our face or our body, we all need the guidance of a professional, right? Well, why not choose a professional who's been guiding his patients for well over 2 decades?
I look in the mirror and I like what I see. You know, and it's 10 years, it's been almost 10 years since I've been working with, I want to say bones, but it's not.
So I've been aging backwards for the last 15 years thanks to Dr. McCoy.
For 17 years, I've trusted Dr. McCoy, and I do whatever he tells me.
I've been growing young with Dr. McCoy for 20 years.
I've been growing young with Dr. McCoy for at least 20 years.
This is my mother.
Could I smack her?
I want you to meet Dr. J.D. McCoy, founder of Contour Medical, and those two ladies are hilarious.
There's something else. Something else.
They're practically related to you. They've been coming for so long. I love that. Okay, I want to talk a little bit about you, right? Because you have been known as the doctor's doctor, and that's super cool, and I want you to tell everybody why.
Well, first, it's an honor to get that kind of a title, but patients and doctors want to be treated by typically the teacher, who's teaching and training other people, who's doing the studies, who's the most innovative, and I pride myself on doing and delivering that.
As you should, as you should. So let's talk about some of the other things that you do. You do a lot, right? You've got your office here, you've got your own clientele for decades. You also do clinical trials, you train clinicians. You're always on the cutting edge of technology. Doing all of that, how does that benefit us, your patients?
The main benefit to patients is when we're innovative and at the cutting edge with technology that nobody else has, it makes it a more comfortable treatment, a safer treatment, and guess what? More effective too. So it's about delivering a great result.
Right.
And I'm all about delivering a great result.
Absolutely, and I'm so glad to hear that, right? But you're also about delivering it without pain and keeping people as comfortable as possible. How do you do that?
That's so important because patients are really concerned about comfort. So I use my AccuVein light, which shows me all the facial vessels to reduce bruising and swelling. I use laughing gas to make people comfortable if they want it, and I include it. I don't charge for that.
Wow.
I have an assistant doing pressure. Most of my patients, I can treat them and they can go out to dinner that night, no problem.
Ooh, I love that. Okay, let's talk about treatments now, right? I want to start with the face. You offer up a lot of different options here. What is your number one go-to? You talk a lot about biostimulants. What is that exactly?
Biostimulants would be for volume correction. I can use that on the face and it stimulates your own collagen. So the volume is your own stuff and it also makes your skin look better too.
Ooh, okay.
Win-win.
And very much so. And that's with needles, right? So we're talking needles. Now, there's another option you offer, no needles, and it's called Exion.
Yeah, so
Tell me about that.
With Exion, I'm doing needle-free, no downtime, skin quality improvement, stimulates your own hyaluronic acid, your natural stuff, and it gives you that little boop.
Oop.
That's what you want.
We all want a little boop, right? Little boop, right? Okay, when it comes to the body, again, lots of options, but with technology that you have right here, what is your go-to?
Go-to, by far, M-Sculpt Neo, because I'm able to sculpt by increasing muscle, reducing fat, improving skin quality, but it's not just building muscle for aesthetic, it's also functional. So we have core strength improvement in posture. My gosh, it hits all the boxes.
It really does, and you're all about everything inside and out, but that consultation is so important. What do you learn?
The consultation is about individualizing, assessing what's actually really going on, and also getting an internal picture too, because sometimes what we do internally can affect the outer result, and I want to get the best results. We need to address both that because people want to feel good and look good.
Again, checks all the boxes. All right, here's more information on how you can get your own custom treatment plan. Just mention Sonoran Living and receive a complimentary consultation with Dr. McCoy. Contour Medical is located at 633 East Ray Road, Suite 103 in Gilbert, 480-545-2832, or visit the website, contourmedical.com.